So two things happened today. One, at about 6 p.m. today, right here at this intersection, a cyclist was hit by a car and had to be transported to the hospital. I believe, if what I read on Twitter was correct, they have a broken ankle. So that's great. Traffic violence incident number one. And before I learned about that, while I was at work today, I learned that one of my coworkers, while she was walking to work, crossing this intersection, got hit by a car while she was crossing the crosswalk. Car was turning right on red, didn't see her, bam, tossed her on the ground. And the fucking coward driver stopped initially, rolled down their window, and said, "Are you okay?" And from what it sounds like, she said, "Yeah," but she definitely was, although nothing was broken, she definitely hit the ground pretty hard. I'm sure she's gonna feel that tonight or tomorrow. And then the fucking coward drove away. But no, cyclists, pedestrians, vulnerable road users, we're not allowed to get mad. It's cars' world and we're just living in it. They have the right to do whatever they want, run over as many people as they want, because they got places to be. Yeah, we're not allowed to get mad. Unbelievable. And some of you idiots on the internet actually encourage that. I have one message for you people. Fuck your face. Seriously. Go get hit by a bus. Tell me how that feels. It's what you wish for others. Oh, because we use bad words. We call people idiots when they are being idiots. Yeah, well, fuck you and your fragile feelings. Wrong way, genius. Really gonna look? Hey! Hey!
Don't raise your voice in public.
Use your mirrors. I was ready for it. Should you be using the phone while driving? Should you be using the phone while driving? Put the phone away.
Directions.
So?
Appreciate it.
Have a holder.
By yourself. Jackass.
I'm terribly sorry, I ran over your dog in my jag.
Yep. Typical people can't make the connection that your actions can affect other people. What a difficult concept to understand. It's not about policing you or telling you what to do, it's about protecting other people. I could give less of a shit what happens to you.
12 seconds later.
Tie you up. Wow. Caliente.
He is burning my assholes.
What's that? They're gonna stop, right? Nope. Nope, they're gonna U-turn right there. Okay. I don't get why people do that. Why do you U-turn on the tightest, narrowest streets? Hey, hey, hey! Jesus Christ. Come on, please get caught at that red light. Fuck you going. Where the fuck are you going? You just about ran me over. You don't care. You just turned right in front of me. You nearly ran me the fuck over. Oh, now you're gonna be on the phone. Maybe that's why you nearly ran me over, is because you're distracted by your fucking phone. What do you think that apology does? I do appreciate the apology, but Jesus fucking Christ, I was right there next to you. You just turned right in front of me. I had to veer and brake.
I accept it.
Do you have mirrors? Do you have these?
Okay, I'm sorry.
Have you learned something today?
Yeah, I learned.
Okay. I appreciate it.
You all good?
My adrenaline's going, but because you nearly fucking killed me, but yes.
Five minutes later.
What? Oh my God. Why is that necessary? What the hell? Where even are they now? I can make it. Fuck you! God, it's harder to do hand signals on a scooter. I'm sorry. Was I in your way when you needed to yield? Off the sidewalk, stupid. Oh my, what the fuck? Seriously? You just had to cut in front of me. Unbelievable. Didn't even look. How did I sense that they were going to turn left? That is a great place to stand. Whoa! Hey! Just turned into the back of me. Those are great parking spots. Yep. Dog driving. Exactly what the sidewalk is for. Yep, just blatantly go through the red light. Joke's on them. That's a red light camera intersection. Yep. Just turn right in front of me. Looks like they're parked in the turn lane, not the bike lane. But that big car just pulled up straight up into the bike lane. Oh my God. Jesus fucking Christ, can you not use the parking right there? Not you, your driver.
Just got here, man.
Yep, people do this all the time and it's really frustrating. You see the green paint? That means it's a bike lane. It means you don't stop there. You don't obstruct it. I appreciate you apologizing, but you know, I used to be a Lyft driver too. So you gotta know the city. You gotta know, like, okay, this is my destination. They have a pickup area, you know. I appreciate it. He ran the red light. Get him. Oh, the pedestrians did it too. Criminals. Oh, look. I'm gonna do it too. Holy shit. Dude, yield to the pedestrian. Yes. Holy shit, another day with no cars in this bike lane. This is like what, day? I don't even know. 90? 200? Actually, pedestrian signal means I can go. Boom. What are you doing? Great place to stop. Yep. Halcon? What the fuck is Halcon?